British planes make short trips to countries like Holland, they're controlled by far more advanced systems than they leave at home.
Shops away, please.
As this British Midland flight takes off from Amsterdam en route to London, it will fly first into airspace supervised by so-called Eurocontrol at Maastricht in southern Holland. The skies all over Europe have seen the same huge rise in traffic as we have here. But Eurocontrol, which controls the neighbouring airspace to West Drayton, over Holland, Belgium, Luxembourg and northern Germany, has responded by installing state-of-the-art equipment and recruiting more controllers in the last few years. Confident reports on the new Dutch systems make far more cheerful in-flight reading for both aircrew and passengers than the gloomy catalogue of failures at West Drayton.
Canadian 5-2, climb to flight level 330 now.
3-1-3-3, Canadian 5-2.
The managers at Maastricht welcome visitors with film cameras. They are anxious to demonstrate the virtues of their operation, which now controls as many aircraft as West Drayton. But here, there are updated large radar screens and electronic information displays to help the busy controllers.
Continue climb flight level 290.
For the last 9 years, Maastricht controllers have also been using a computer program called Conflict Alert, which they say acts as a safety net to avoid mid-air collisions. There's no such system in London.
Mission 4x5 maintain flight.
In this simulation, the controller's directing two planes that seem to be moving dangerously close. When the computer detects that they will infringe separation rules within the following 2 minutes, bleeps flash next to the plane's call signs on the radar, alerting the controller to a possible crisis. The Dutch system is driven by the latest, most powerful computer available. Installation was only completed in March this year. Eurocontrol ordered the new computer 3 years ago when they saw the predictions about the explosion in traffic. It's replaced a machine that was already a generation younger than the one that staggers on at London. Last summer, the completion date was pushed forward.
We came to the conclusion that we must advance the original date for the implementation of the new computer system, so to profit already this year in the summer peak from the new installation, giving more capacity, giving higher speed, and therefore making a safe service possible.
Midland 106, you are clear to land, runway 28 left.
The British Midland flight from Amsterdam approaches London. Like thousands of planes, the DC-9 touches down safely. British Airlines are proud of their safety record, but can it be as good in the future? The planes and the pilots may be first class, but if the air traffic system that controls them is outdated and creaking, and the men who operate the system are demoralised and overworked, the dangers are obvious. A new computer is at least 3 years away, so we just have to hope that the skill of the controllers can get us safely through several more record-breaking summers.